Hello and welcome back. Thank you for joining me for our third episode this week for our 3-a-day multiple choice questions. I hope that you have been diligently following up with these videos and going through these questions. I hope that if you have been working them on your own, when you come here, you have actually been getting them correct. Today, we're looking at questions 22 to 24 of the May 2011 multiple choice paper. If you're new here, you can go ahead and subscribe, share, let me know in the comments how you are finding these videos. So let's hit the road. Number 22 says, if $7,000 is borrowed at the rate of 5% per annum for 3 years, the simple interest is, and we're supposed to find that out. Now, in yesterday's video, we had reminded ourselves of the formula used for finding simple interest. All right, and that is going to be that. All right, interest is going to be the principal times the rate 5%, and that's where we get our 100 from in our formula, times time, which is measured in terms of years, and that's 3 years. We can now go ahead and just simplify. 100 into 7,000 is going to be 70. And then we can go ahead and just multiply all our numerators. That will give us our simple interest. 70 times 5 times 3 is going to be 1,050. All right. I should have let you pause. I should have let you pause to just try it on your own. All right, let's go. Number 23 is pretty easy. We're adding fractions and the denominators are the same. So we know that we're going to be keeping that denominator. And we're going to work on our numerators. 4 plus 2. And that's simply 6 over 5x. Don't overthink it. That's it. And then we have just one more left, and I hope that your multiplication and addition and subtraction skills when it comes on to terms is very good. All right. Now, once we see two brackets looking like they look now with a binomial in each, and of course we know a binomial means an expression with two terms. So here's a binomial being multiplied by another binomial. Why do we say multiplication? They're both in brackets and the brackets are directly beside each other. All right. So let me move this up a little bit. So we have x minus 2 being multiplied by 3x plus 4. All right, and simply we know each term in this bracket should multiply each term in the second bracket. All right, so let's go. We're going to use the x to multiply 3x. So that's going to be 3x squared. X multiplied by 4 gives us 4x, and that's definitely positive. So we put a plus 4x there. We're going to also use this negative 2 to multiply by everything in the second bracket. Negative 2 times 3x is going to be negative 6x. Negative 2 times 4 is going to be negative 8. Are there any like terms? Yes, ma'am. So we simplify. Plus, clearly you see that none of your answers, none of the options here is the answer that we have here right now. So once we expand, we need to look for the like terms. We now have 4 terms. We need 3, clearly. So we're going to simplify by putting these two together. All right, 4x minus 6x is going to take us to negative 2x minus 8. So our final answer is 3x squared minus 2x minus 8, which is B. That is the last question for today. And I look forward to seeing you tomorrow for our 4th episode of this week. This has been the 28th episode of 3-a-day CXC multiple choice questions. Join me tomorrow for more.